Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Then click on yes to allow. Here you type 3 commands. I will give all commands on my video description. Copy and paste first command. Then paste it here. Then hit enter. Copy second command. Then paste here. Enter. Then copy last and third command. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window. Then restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.